because of the problem?
Fantabulous fun, great learning, great experience, many pitfalls, but we learned from those mistakes. It was an eye-opener in certain sense because we have to apply in a certain stipulated time to achieve good results, working in a team, good experience.
By Hackathon, you actually understand what your knowledge has been so far in the journey of your course. It's very important to understand the objective or the problem statement, without which you would not be able to proceed further. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.